This is our bag of sweet potatoes. We're about to dump it out and harvest the potatoes. See some stuff sticking out. It's pretty heavy. The bag has little holders, so it shouldn't be too difficult to dump, but took my headphones back. Very dry. There we go. Oh, I see some potatoes sticking out already. Damn, I hope they're good. No, I gotta pull it out anyway. So, right there. Yeah. It broke it. Really? Why are they so small? I don't know. Ooh. It's a little one. That one's a bit better, but
now we're talking. Cool. Yeah, it's kind of funny looking, huh? Oh, I broke off a couple little ones. That's junk. Oh. There's one. Another one. It's a decent one. Oh, it's attached to the vine. I should have kept the vines off first.
Yeah.
I wonder if I could replant them. It does. Okay. Look at this one. Twirly whirly. Another blue one. Oh, here's a decent one. There we go.
That's where, and then they get even more down there.
They're all very small. I feel like I should have left them for longer, but if they get frosted, they'll rot, so maybe I should have left them in.
No, because you're leaving.
Brought them into the grow room instead. Next year I'll know.
There's a curly one right there.
Yeah, like corkscrews. A little teeny tiny, though. I don't even know if you can eat them. When they're this small, you think? We'll find out. A little teeny one. Leaves.
This one.
Oh, that's a nice one. Did you get it?
No, I did.
Nope, I think that's it. Let's see what we got. Maybe plant it earlier and leave it in for longer. But it worked out well in the greenhouse. They just needed to get bigger. We'll see how they taste. We'll try them tonight. Let's pop a couple in the microwave and have them with dinner. There we go.